Hello everyone, my name is Laser4118 and today we are back again playing Angry Birds Star Wars 2. Master Your Destiny. Parkside. Alright. Beginner set. Wait, is this more levels? No, it has to be the same. So, like with the boat side, we're gonna do 10 levels. Did we do 10 levels on here? Yeah, we did 10 levels. So, let's get started. You have chosen wisely. The Park site will make you more powerful than any Jedi. You will need to be stronger and cunning to survive the dark challenges and become a Dark Lord of the Sith. Great reward awaits those who make it. Oh, okay. Oh, this is like a ship. Okay then. I have less pigs than bullets. This is gonna be tricky. This is tricky. I can't even choose right now. You know what? Let's use Dark Vader. Launch it away. Oh, that was more effective than I thought it would be. Alright, the second level. And we got some surprises. That should be helpful, I guess. Let's see what we got up ahead. Oh my god. There's a lot of stormtroopers now. I feel like I don't want to be that person, or I guess. But I feel like it's Anakin Skywalker again. Okay, and you know what? Let's use someone. You. Okay. Nice. Yeah, that's not 3-star at all. Yes. Yeah, not 3-star. Oh man, this will be tricky. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's Anakin again, guys. It's Anakin again. Oh my gosh. Yes, it is Anakin. Yeah, it's Anakin again. Or maybe you. Jango Fett, let's go. Okay. Oh no. Okay, we have enough. Oh my gosh. Not pick over there. Tuscan Raid? Oh, okay, you know what? We got those a lot of stormtrooper here. These only cost 100, so why not? Wait, what? Oh, there it is! There they go. Basically, that's it. Are you serious? It's out of the screen. No. Are you serious? Okay. Oh my gosh, are you serious? It was out of the screen. How did it count it? Oh my gosh, you know what? Let's speedrun this. Oh wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, 600. Man, looks like would have been good for this. You know what? I bought you, so let's make it worth it. Worth it. And then one more. You know what? I probably barely use you. Wait, it's only 5 minutes and I completed 2 levels. But hey, we have 69 left. Okay, this one is... well, this one is interesting. How do you book the Inquisitor? Okay. Oh wait, yeah. Should probably go for the cheap ones if I want to buy any. Okay, you know what? Anakin is just well fitting. Oh, could have used this stormtrooper instead. You know what? You're 80, so wait, how much is the 20,000? Okay. I don't need to know. Okay then, okay. One more. Yeah. Oh, misclick. Still did it anyways. You know what? I could probably just use stormtroopers instead. How the heck am I gonna do this? Anakin again, I guess. Oh, that's not good. that's interesting. The magnets. My buddy, you can do this. Nice. Halfway there. Oh, that was 3 saw. Oh, this is slow. Name. Okay. Should I... What can I use? You know what? Opportune, I think. And then for you, I guess I'll use you. I really want to use some characters like, what is it? Hologram Dark Sidious. But like, the coins is just like so much. Ooh, count to Dooku. It's your time to shine. Now that's settled. You again, I guess. I feel like if I had the math and then something different would probably happen, but I'm not sure. Nice. What are we gonna get? We got those. Oh. You know what? I feel like there's only one pig that is fitting for this. Do your best, amigo. Come on, Beyblade. Oh. 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 Let's use some variety, I guess. And then one more up there to shoot. How did I miss? Oh my gosh, are you serious? Can I just do this? Oh, I can. That was embarrassing. Huh? I should probably went from the sides. Level 9. Oh, wow. This is where it gets tricky. Wait, those TNT though. Oh, what? How do I activate that TNT? Nope. Stormtrooper. Nope. How do I activate that TNT? My God, no, I need you. Oh. You know what? I'm not gonna do that TNT. How do you walk again? Don't you throw like bombs? Yeah. Alright. I'm taking a while, okay? I'm thinking, guys. Oh, Darth Vader. Oh, Darth Vader is like stronger than Anakin, I think. Level 10. Okay. Not, I'll shoot you. And then... You know what? Let's use you again. What level is this? This is level 10. Wow. And that's 10 levels on a death. So that's gonna be it for this video, everyone. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all later. May the force be with you. Bye.